Is current-bags.com the stylish bargain you've been waiting for, or just another cleverly disguised scam? When an online store promises stunning handcrafted leather bags and belts at jaw-dropping prices like 80% off, it's only natural to pause and wonder if it's too good to be true. In this video, we dig deep into current bags and uncover a few things that raise serious questions. First off, that limited-time 80% discount plastered across the homepage feels more like a pressure tactic than a genuine offer, and it's something we've seen often on shady websites. Then there's the brand story, which reads more like something whipped up by either a real artisan's journey, vague, overly perfect, and lacking any traceable history. Digging into the domain, we found it was just created in March 2025, a red flag for any store claiming to be a long-standing leather brand. Things got worse when we reverse-searched some product images, only to find the same pictures being used on multiple unrelated sites, suggesting they might not even be selling original products. As for customer reviews, while there are glowing 5-star ratings, there's little to no authentic feedback or real user-generated content, which usually means those testimonials could be fake or paid. Overall, while current-bags.com might look like a sleek and promising store on the surface, the deeper you look, the more the alarm bells start ringing.